everyone! So today I'm here to discuss with you how to identify your skin type, your own skin type. And this is very important in order to maintain and have healthy skin. Otherwise, using incorrect products can lead to damaging your skin, can lead to aggravate condition you already have, for example sensitivity or pigmentation, or just like can make your skin worse with the time. And you might not see the kind of worst scenario straight away, but you will be able to see that on and on if you keep doing the same thing and you're using the incorrect products for your skin type. We are not only going to discuss the skin types, but also the skin conditions, because very often people are confusing with skin types and skin conditions. Yeah, so they are different. We are going to be identifying the skin type according to the sebum level. So we have two types of skin types. So one is according to the sebum level, which we're going to be discussing today, and another one is according to the melanin level or the pigment level or the color level. Yeah, so we have another skin type which is according to the melanin level, which we call Fitzpatrick skin type, but we will not talk about this today. We will be only talking about the skin type according to the sebum level, or how much oil your skin produces naturally. For those who don't know me, I'm Eleonora. I'm aesthetic practitioner. I'm a skin specialist, beauty lecturer and internal verifier. I have two beauty schools based in central London and also a skin clinic, also based in central London. So a lot of things are actually important to know before we start. First of all, our skin type, and every person on the planet has its own unique skin type. But of course, in the beauty and aesthetic industry, we put them in 4 different categories. 1, 2, 3, 4 different skin types, because I used to watch some videos talking about 5 different skin types, talking about 6 different skin types, and I wasn't sure what is that about, because in any books we are actually teaching from, and what I have been doing for so many years, I would assure you that there are 4 skin types, and this is how we always teach our students. So we have 4 different skin types. The first one is normal skin type. Normal skin type. Second one, oily. Third one, dry. And the fourth one is actually combination of the previous 3. So it can be some areas with dry, some areas with oil. So we have 4 skin types, yeah? Normal, oily, dry, and combination. So these are the ones. Okay, so let's focus now. The first skin type is the normal skin type. What normal skin type means? Actually, the name tells you. Normal means that the skin is doesn't have any issues. Usually that skin looks like a porcelain skin. The skin doesn't have almost visible pores, so the pores are that tiny that you can't really see them, especially from about a meter distance. So this is the normal skin type. Also the skin looks really kind of very healthy looking, shiny, glowing, has this type of appearance. This is the normal skin type. That skin doesn't have excess oil and it's not dry, so doesn't have that kind of dryness feeling. This is one of the rarest skin type to see, especially in our industry. It's almost impossible to see. It's very rare, and I've seen people with normal skin type. I would say that it's more likely to be visible on Asian skin types. At least this is my personal opinion. Like Indian, Pakistani, also like Japanese, or can be Chinese as well. I've seen that on my clients where skin is very normal. no pores, no dryness, no dehydration. And this is like the best skin type. So now we're gonna be talking about oily skin type. Oily skin type, it's easy to recognize. The most important characteristic of oily skin type are the large pores, comedons, breakouts, quite common. We call them papules and pustules in the beauty world, but just basically you can just recognize it because of the large pores, clogged pores, blackheads, whiteheads, and breakouts. Also the appearance is really oily. When you look at your skin, you don't have to wash your skin and wait for 1 hour. As I was watching a video, someone was going through how you have to wash your skin, cleanse your skin, tone your skin, and then you have to leave it for 1 hour, then you have to put something on the skin just to find out if this is your skin. No, you don't have to do that. Just simply go check your skin in the mirror without makeup and look at, do you have large pores? Are they very visible? If they are, there you are. Is it all over? If it's all over, yes. So oily skin is the slowest aging skin from all other skin types because of the extra oil which lubricates the skin all the time. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about the dry skin type. Dry skin type, main characteristic is flakiness, also very small pores, invisible almost. You might notice super tight skin, and also you might notice that your skin appearance is like really dry. You don't really have that kind of oil on the skin, kind of glossy, healthy look. The skin looks very, very dry. Almost usually you wouldn't see dry skin with acne, no, breakouts. You wouldn't see blackheads, you wouldn't really see you know, kind of large pores. You wouldn't notice those on the dry skin. Dry skin is just very, very dry, and the characteristics I already mentioned, and it's quite I would say, I wouldn't say it's very common, but yeah, there are people out there with dry skin as well. So now moving forward to the skin type which is the most common, the most common, and you probably already know that, but one of the most common skin type is the combination skin type. So combination from the other three which I went through now. It's combination from either oily and dry skin type, or either oily and normal skin type. So we need to kind of look at our skin and decide what kind of skin we have and if that's combination. So that's combination of oily T-zone, yeah, and normal cheeks and neck, and you know, can be jawline as well, or kind of dry, but in general can be normal. So normal cheeks, but the middle section is oily, appears shinier, and it's really, really common in nowadays people to have combination skin type. That's why a lot of products, they have ingredients for different, like just kind of rebalancing ingredients which will rebalance your skin. So means that the oily sections, they will make it a bit more subtle, and then the dry or the normal section, they will, you know, improve accordingly as well. So just like combines the ingredients and to work for both conditions and to not make those conditions worse. Okay. The skin conditions we know as sensitive, mature, congested, dehydrated, also pigmented as well, so hypopigmentation or hypopigmentation. These are all skin conditions. These are not skin types, these are skin conditions. Yeah, so all those skin conditions can come with the age. As we age, our skin changes, our hormone change, hormonal disbalance, or any other problems related to something happening in our lives. For example, stress or sun exposure, any of those can affect our skin condition. In our case, let's say we're talking about sensitive skin, and you haven't seen babies born with sensitive skin, isn't it? You haven't seen babies born with pigmentation, isn't it? No, you haven't. You haven't even seen babies born with freckles. So all those ones are skin conditions. For example, if we're going to look them one by one, I just mentioned the sensitivity of the skin can be caused by you know, harsh products or incorrect use of them, or just incorrect use of products not for your skin type. So these are the this is for the sensitive skin, or sensitive skin can be because of some kind of stress you are going through. Sensitive skin can be in the forms of rosacea, for example, which is extremely bad condition. We are treating this with IPL. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. I will be posting future videos related to the products you can use for the skin type, or how to choose the correct products. Also, I'm gonna be posting how to look after your skin, about skin routine, morning and evening, what is the best to do, and just different videos about treatments like laser treatments, skin treatments like peels, chemical peels, herbal peels, micro needling, anything really you can imagine about what can and will be able to improve your skin. Yeah, so if you are interested in this and you want to see something from me in the future, you can put your comments in the section below, and I will be really happy to answer any questions you have. So please don't hesitate, you can always contact me. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you soon.